ACCA's strategic level exams, the SBR and SBL, sound similar, so students often get confused between the two. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the purpose, exam technique, and approach to the strategic business reporting and the strategic business leadership exams for ACCA. Starting with the Strategic Business Reporting exam, which is based around the IFRS accounting guidances and will test your ability to apply them in a bunch of real-world scenarios in the case of a fictional business. You'll need to interpret financial statements, exercise judgments, and apply accounting frameworks and guidance using a number of different IFRS. You'll get questions on leases, revenue, financial instruments, and group accounts, and they'll all be set in the case of a real-world business scenario, asking you to evaluate and make judgments on a case-by-case basis. The key really is that neither of these exams are a memory test. They're actually all about your ability to think laterally and apply concepts to scenarios, particularly commercial scenarios, without relying totally on rote definition like you would in a multiple choice scenario exam. Moving on now to talk about the strategic business leadership exam, which is like a giant case study. You'll act as an advisor to a board of directors, solving ethical dilemmas, strategic problems, and managing risk. This exam rewards professional communication, so that's your ability to lay out your answers and to communicate in an effective way and to really act as the strategic business leader. Questions often revolve around specific formats such as reports, memos, and also briefings. And topics range from leadership and governance to internal controls and also performance management. So let's move on now to talk about the key differences. The SBR has an accounting lens and rewards technical depth, whereas the SBL rewards business leadership skills and applied logic. The SBR has short to medium length scenario questions, whereas the SBL is one big integrated case study. And then finally, the SBR rewards precision, whereas the SBL rewards clarity, structure, and lateral thinking and explanation in a professional tone. So what about the question of which one do you take first? Well, if you're confident in the IFRS standards, then definitely take the SBR first. Whereas if you're a more literary and argumentative focused person, then the SBL will cater to your style with those slightly longer format, more detailed around the commercial scenario answers that require more lateral thinking and persuasive writing. If you're still unsure what to take first, then head over to the description to check out our website, which will link you to our pages explaining both in even more detail. And if failing that, then feel free to get in contact with one of our team members who will be able to advise you through this process and give you more information on the excellent offering we provide for both courses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.